So I'm going to run through a couple of examples of audio quality. I'm standing about 2 feet from my iPhone 8 and this is the built-in microphone. I purposely did kind of a noisy environment. You can see there's cars over there driving by. There's a guy doing some landscaping over there because we're not always going to be in a perfect audio environment. So this is the built-in microphone. There's nothing plugged into the camera. Now the next step, I'm going to plug in a Rode mounted microphone for iPhone. Okay, so now I've got that microphone plugged in. I'm standing, I don't know, 2 to 2.5 feet from the camera. And this is the selfie camera, the one where you can see yourself on the screen. So this is how it sounds with the Rode plug-in. All right, so now we're going to go to which is just a simple, the brand is DeWise. You can get this on Amazon. And you gotta plug it in using the dongle. And just by the way, this is not on right now. So we're gonna plug this one in. Okay, so now we're using the plug-in lavalier mic, and you can see if this sounds different than before. Hopefully there is some sort of audio quality difference. You see hear the cars driving by. So this is the plug-in lavalier mic. So now I'm testing the wireless system. It's called the Pixel Voical Air. And I've got a unit plugged into the phone, and I've got a unit that is clipped onto my pants, and a lavalier mic which plugs in. And so if this is working properly, then whether I'm standing here or my back is turned to the camera, wherever I go, the audio should be the same. And this system says it can go 70 meters from one unit to the other, which is more than I'll ever need, but it's nice to have the freedom to walk around. So you can see there's lots of noise going on in the background. There's a truck going by, and this is different shot than I had before. So the landscaper isn't here right now. I had to reshoot this because I had the wrong settings before and the audio wasn't coming through. But hopefully you can hear the difference this time. And this is what the wireless system looks like. And really, this should clearly be better than any built-in system, but I would like to compare this to the wired lavalier to see if there's a difference. One thing that's interesting about this device is that you can use the plug-in lavalier, or this also has a built-in microphone right there. So you can actually clip this directly onto your shirt, which is what I'll do here. And you can talk this way. And I'm curious to see if this is different if you have the plug-in lavalier versus no plug-in. What I also like about this system is that there are settings on both this unit and the unit that plugs in, the receiver and the transmitter, to adjust the volume levels. And to really hear what it is in real time, there's actually a headphone plug-in in this unit that you can plug in a set of headphones to hear if there's any background noise, and you can adjust the volume on both accordingly, which I think is really useful to know what your audio settings are before you go through the trouble of recording. Next, I have my Airpods, which are synced to my phone. These are the Airpods Generation 1. I've got both of them in here, and I've actually never recorded a video using these, but like the wireless system, if I come back here, it should be the same audio as before. And I'm also curious to see if I only have one of them in, so I only have the right one in. Does it have an equivalent microphone? Is it a better microphone if I'm using just the right AirPod or the left one? I know in the video left and right might be backwards. Now I've got just the left one in. If it is working, you should be able to hear me. If it's not, it should be pretty quiet. Okay. And for my final test, we've got a set of the Airpods Pro. So put in both the left and the right, and this is how it would sound if I'm standing in the same position using the Airpods Pro. So I'm going to come back here.